wear this hat? Why don't you wear the cowboy hat and play music? Want to? Come over here. I'll trade you. What? What's that look about? Come on. Come on, boy. And I'll put your hat on you and you can put us on a concert. Come on.
Look at me touch it.
Huh?
Look at me touch it. Look. Oh, I like it. I like it, my guitar.
I know it.
It is my pick.
I don't know. Sing a song for the camera.
It's my pick.
It's your pick.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Yeah.
Papa will have to get you some more.
Papa gets more.
Yeah, put this cap on and mommy can take your picture.
Mommy's videotaping you. You gonna sing?
Bobby, Bobby, Bobby! My Jeep is flat. Sit that Jeep. Sit that Jeep.
You took a hammer to the Jeep?
Yeah.
Bobby,
No.
will you sing Rockstar?
Look at this wrapper. Put it right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Here, Mommy help you.
Nope.
There you go.
It's stuck.
He has the time.
What are you gonna do now? Sing Rockstar?
It hit my face. It hit my face.
Why'd you hit your face?
Mama's going to go take a shower. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay?
Want to play with?
You want to go play with?
Yeah.
We're already in the playroom.